Chimpu and Bunny are having lunch at their favorite picnic spot. Do you know a cheese slice looks like a square? A square is a shape which has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can you spot any more objects with square shape? Yes, a bread loaf and a sandwich have square shape. A square has 4 sides and 4 equal corners, and all sides are equally long. Click on the correct shape. Try again. Well done.
Let us sing the square song.
This is the square, this is the square. Turn it upside down, turn it upside down, and it will still look the same, and it will still look the same. This is the square, this is the square. This is the square, this is the square. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has 4 sides, it has 4 sides, and all look the same, and all look the same.